also, I don't know why I have this gut feeling of that, you know, after Dhurandhar, Radha Saab is gonna be touching that level.
Ooh, touch wood.
With that,
Like,
Thank you.
commission भेज देना मुझे
100%.
बॉक्स ऑफिस का.
manifestation
I'm gonna-
commission.
अगर मैंने बोला है पक्का दूंगी. ठीक है.
Too much. This is on record. I'm gonna get money from the productions. That's on record. All right.
मतलब I am saying like as if I am the producer, I'll try.
You'll give it me. You'll give me from your fees. I
From
guess.
my fees. ठीक है, done.
But ideally that way you does it affect you that a film should do box office में बहुत अच्छा, that is the only way to say that the film is hit, or you're also like ठीक है, it's okay, we enjoyed, audience को कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आता. नहीं मतलब कि हाँ, you can have your perspectives. ये third person का perspective मेरा नहीं.
Yeah.
I feel that you know, when you create art, it's like you let it be, right? फिर वो audience के ऊपर depend करता है. चल गई तो बहुत बढ़िया, मतलब सोने पे सुहागा, हो गया बढ़िया है. नहीं भी चली तो आपने कुछ बनाया और आपने कुछ तो किया खुद के साथ. Like my last film was Super Boys of Malegaon. It was a beautiful film.
Yeah.
And I mean, commercially it wasn't, you know, that yeah. But does it matter when you make a film or watch a film like that?
True.
I don't know.
I mean, for me, see, my reasons for wanting this film to do well are very different. I really feel like big films, like very big budget films, should do well, and the entire industry should support that. Because क्या होता है जब एक बड़ी पिक्चर बहुत अच्छा करती है, तो और 15 movies बनती है, सबको काम मिलता है, and media, actors, we're all a part of the same industry. So I really always wish for big films to do big numbers, not just mine, any big film.
Oh,
No,
that's
seriously,
very
it's
vicious.
good for all of us.
Yeah, that's really true
Yeah.
because the circle of
Exactly.
you know transitions
Yeah.
of emotion ends otherwise.
Exactly.
But kudos to you that you've been able to do it till now at least. We are hoping कि 9 जनवरी को मज़े आ जाएं और थिएटर में आग लग जाए, ऑडियंस की भीड़ भड़का हो जाए फिर से. हम बिल्कुल चाहते हैं खचाखच ऑडियंस जो है मौजूद रहे. इतने मुश्किल शब्दों का प्रयोग मैंने कर लिया है.
Do watch Raja Saab on the 9th of Jan. I'm sure you guys will like the film. There's a lot of horror, comedy, fantasy, everything. I think it's a mixed bag and it's going to be fun for kids as well. So do go and watch it. I think so many learnings on screen.
Off screen.
But the one thing that I think I would like to take away is I've made some beautiful friendships on this film. And I've had some great memories on this set. I think it's been my most fun shooting experience. इतना मज़ा मुझे किसी set पे नहीं आया मेरी life में. So I would really love to take that in my memories. I mean, audience love
Has been, of course,
talking about
coming.
the film and you know that people go to the film and they like the film. In that way, audience love is always
There.
expected and respected.
I love the way you're putting it up. Yeah, not the other way around.
हाँ नहीं, not regarding those things. I'm just saying like
Yeah,
when
of
the
course.
audience gives you love, whether it's on social media or whether it's by buying the ticket to go and watch your film, I think it's very special.
Very.
You know, and I think as actors, all actors get a lot of love and it makes you feel very special.
What are the basic learnings that you're taking from the acting project that you've done? Because of course, working with such big statured name that we have in the film, be it the director and the actors or the technical team that we've had, and then the immense love of South industry. Oh my God, you know, you're gonna be Devi, I tell you, very soon. You'll also have your mandir in Hyderabad. I won't be shocked to see.
I have one, but it's not in Hyderabad.
You have a mandir? Yeah. Oh my God, where is
That
it?
sounds very weird, I know.
No, it's a headline for me. Tell me please.
no, it was done in Tamil Nadu, I think, when one of my films had released. So yeah, I mean it.
Have you visited, like,
No,
do you...
I have not gone. I have
But
not.
you must have the same pictures देखी होगी.
Pictures I've seen, so it was apparently a Valentine's Day gift.
Oh my God.
I don't think any guy can beat that.
Romantic to have a
Matlab,
mandir.
it's crazy. I don't encourage it at all.
But
You just take it as love, you know. You don't take it seriously. It's just love.
I mean, worship your woman taken to another level. Like,
too much.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think anybody wants to get trolled
Of
or
course.
this thing. तो वो तो जब होता है, it hurts. And you know, you feel bad. But then you realize why you're doing this job because you're passionate about films. And yeah, I think it's just that then. Yeah.
I think that so long as, you know, you have clarity of yourself within you.
Yes.
And so long as you're sure of what you're doing, your family is good with you, and the people that you love you and respect you and admire you for who you are. trolling doesn't necessarily matter to me because we as individuals are very different and everybody holds their opinions. It's not nice to be not nice, but it can't be helped with certain situations, and yeah, you can just be true to yourself and move on, get over it.
Yeah.